Yes, people, back with another one. I'm just gonna get straight into it by saying please like, comment, share, subscribe. The subscribe bit is the most important. I have to say at the start of every video, so everyone does it. Please do it, man, because the amount of people that watch, if everyone subbed, I'll hit my 1k like nothing. And I'm not far from 1k. I'm not far from 700, so 300 odd people. Please, people, man, subscribe. But yeah, I'm gonna get quickly into this one. This is a bit different because obviously you can see it's been opened, but I do not know. I do know what's inside, but I haven't seen what's inside. So this is a live reaction. I have to keep it organic. I can't cheat. The Nike Court Vision Low Premium in trainers, black and white. That looks like it's a bit of a spelling error or whatever. In trainers. Okay, it could be in trainers, whatever. Obviously the normal red Nike box. I've bought some Air Maxes previously which didn't come with this box, which is a bit strange. But yeah, let's see. The reason I bought these, let me just quickly add, is because they were £20 and I just wanted to see how good they are for £20. And for £20, which is, I'm not going to do the maths about dollars, but let's say $20, you can't really go wrong. Ooh, yes. So these are like a B-Tech Air Force One. They are quite clean. Ooh, it's a bit different. Quite clean, quite different. I kind of really liked these years ago, just like the way they looked on foot. I knew a couple people who had them. For £20, you can't go wrong. They are quite different. With tracksuits, you can wear these to the gym. You can wear these. I don't know if. See, look. I don't think that will crease like that. Quite different. A good cheap Nike. You can't go wrong with a pair of trainers like this. Don't know about comfort, but they look to be kind of comfortable. I just really wanted to see how they look on foot, because a lot of trainers, they may look a bit ugly when you just hold them up, or you may see them online and they might be a bit ugly. I just wanted to kind of show people what they kind of look like in person. So I really like the details, the bits of purple, bits of mesh. It's got the little, I like that, Nike stamped in or whatever. This sole is a bit different, so I don't think it will drag, because it's like that already. So I don't think it will go up. They're quite different. I don't know, I might just wear these to the amount of trainers I bought that I said wear these to the gym. I'm acting like it's Paris Fashion Week. Stop it. Okay, I'm not going to wear these to the gym. I just want to see how they look on foot. So it's got the leather detailing here. I've been waffling so much. This is a bit different. I don't know if I like that or not. But yeah, comment what you think. And as always, on foot video to follow. And let's see if they look good on foot or not. Tell me if you rock these as well, and make sure you stay posted for more videos. Take care, people.